Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, Umkhokha The Curse. Can we start where it started? Upakatoya has a dream, obviously dreaming ngozodwa and the good times that they had. But girl being MaMzobe associates the dream because uzwele kama MaMzobe wazibona nje aphakathi shiqi the dream waze wabonga nje ukuthi iphakathwayo waphupha mina bo. Guys, I laughed so bad, but nonetheless, let's move. Upakatoya then sits down with uGabisile, trying to get the truth out of uGabisile. We all know ukuthi it will not come out because every time MaMzobe will come on top of everything. MaMzobe was standing at the door while uGabisile wanted to confess, and MaMzobe was only being seen by uGabisile. So uGabisile ended up continuing with the lie. As a asho zamxolo ukuthi I wonder yini le MaMzobe akuphethe ngayo ngoba ukuphethe nje ngayo, and then we all know that what you said was the truth. But ke uGabisile stood with the full story because MaMzobe was just standing right there and was ready nje to deal with noGabisile. MaMzobe ke abize abantu abomama basesontweni, ababize athi uqala bamkhulumela nabantu bomkhandlo ukuthi abuyele esikhundleni. Ngithi mina waqela ugela ukuthi ngicela nje ningingcengele ukuthi ngibuyele, bathi labo mama unga hey nathi siyonqunywa kule nto yenzile wena, phela wena ude udelele ngakhona waba umkhulu. Bamkhumbuza ukuthi waba umkhululi wena, waba umkhululi lights wena. So we don't want to be in the troubles that you were in. Askis I'm sorry. Waguqa phansi MaMzobe wancenga bathi askis I'm sorry. Ayike it seems like i-blackmail ka lokhunje ka Ndlovu kuGumede isebenzile because uphakathwayo uphakamise igama lika Ndlovu. uNdlovu uye ke manje ozoba isekela likamkhululi. Guys, angiboni uNdlovu akhuleka nje, ngivele ngibone nje uNdlovu abusy amalicious azama ngapha nangapha, but ke uNdlovu uye ozoba isandla sikamkhululi. uNdlovu aye kwakhe ajabula uNdlovu bathi bayamtshela ngoMaMzobe athi ngithi ngiyekeni ngabaloyi, ngiyekeleni ngosathane light, ngiyekeni nje mina ngijabulile ngithole isikhundla. Hey, ujabulile uNdlovu wathi lethani umjudiya, lethani brengoma umjudiya, athi mina bathi kanti uphakathwayo kusase favorite, athi khohlani ngophakathwayo yimi manje favorite. Ngithi hey guys, uNdlovu ujabulile. If uNdlovu dies today, he's definitely going to go to heaven the way he's so happy. Yo guys, siqine ngestory esimnandi esaka nokubonga. Unokubonga guys saw her periods. Like yo, girl was so happy, girl was so excited. Like she was just prayed for yesterday and today the miracle is happening. If awuyikamvela sishem angeke uyibone ke ama miracles wena. Hlala nje lapho kwakho ungawabona ama miracles. Lathi nakamkhokha siwabona left, right and center. With that said, asukume ugirl agijime ayotshelwa uMabusi. Mabusi, here's the thing. Mabusi ujabulile, everybody ujabulile, bayabonga, bayenzani. uMabusi ke naye athinteke aye ku mamazala wakhe amtshela ukuthi uNokubonga is one of us and simvalele ngaphandle for a long time, and wena as the pillar of this house I feel ukuthi you are the one ongam accepta ukuthi abe la. Beyangamelanga ahambe house to house, ahambe hlala, bemele ahlale la and ahlale la ngokuphelele. Yo guys, in excitement ngithi yo Aisha ziyamvulela mhlawumbe uzoba umisisi umkhululi yazi Nokubonga. And then the story concluded in a like weird way, right, where uMaMzobe now was seeing ghosts. uMaMzobe cooked out a storm at night for abantwana bakhe bonke. Ubona oxolile ondoda omlungisi baphekelo. uMaMzobe like outdid herself. But girl is like she's going cuckoo bananas. Like Dululu is no so Lulu, because even uPhakathwayo was like, kwenzakalani MaMzobe, kwenzakalani MaMzobe, udekile ayikho into engekho etafuleni. Is uMaMzobe going delulu? And if MaMzobe is going delulu, is this the way Ezo keep his kwama? While uMaMzobe is going delulu on the other side, unomafu ngale uyaphupha naye. Uphuphani? Uphupha ikhwama. Hey, umuntu lo uthi ikhwama azikhe, izikhwama azize. Mabusi ikholi yakho sayibalekela namanje. uMabusi uyakhala uthi kwenzakalani, athi hayi ngithi ikhwama aziphume. Ikhwama ke umabusi sekuyi-responsibility yakhe bazalwane. Shuthi umabusi uzoba yini inyanga. Yeah. Kanjalo, this is your girl, Disebo D. Please do not forget to like and share and like my other YouTube channel, just in case. You know we can't trust YouTube. I'm kidding. I love you. Peace, bye. But do subscribe to my other channel.